Hello, and welcome to the second session of our Zoom training. This is our second mini session. We're going to start here where we already are at the sign-in screen. As you see, this is my name. Down here, you're going to see the meeting times, the date format. You can change all of these things to set things up so that your meeting is the way that you want it set up. We're going to go to host a meeting. You can either choose with video off, with video on, screen share only. This will come up. It will ask you if you want to open your Zoom meeting. You're going to click yes, open Zoom meeting. And it's loading and connecting. We're going to join with computer audio. Here's my Zoom meeting. There's the password. Here's the link. You can copy this link, send it to individuals that you want to invite. This is your invite button so that you can invite others. Down on the bottom, you'll see there's mute, start video. This is for security. You can click this. This is where you lock your meeting. You can enable a waiting room where individuals have to wait to receive your permission to enter. Allow participants to share screen. I usually would not allow this unless I know exactly who I'm sharing it with. You can also remove the option for the chat to open. People can rename themselves. Instead of using their full name, they may use another password to keep their information secure. This is to allow individuals to unmute themselves. Sometimes people will have their microphones open and it'll cause a lot of feedback throughout the meeting. So you can actually unclick this and they can only unmute if you allow them. Participants you see, just me. This is the chat button. This is where everyone can chat. If someone wants to discuss something with you without everyone in the meeting saying it, they can click this drop down. When there's other members there, your name will show as a facilitator and they can send you a private chat. You can also mute all the chats. Here is the share screen capability. You can share what's on your screen. I'll give you an example. Here's our PowerPoint. And if you wanted to share this, you could. We're going to go back to Zoom. This is your record option. You can record all your Zoom sessions. Considering that some of your sessions may involve student information, I probably would not record those. However, if it was a training such as this, that other colleagues may access, then I would use the record function. This is your end button when you want to leave the meeting. This is how you end the meeting for all. This is how you leave a meeting. So we're going to end the meeting. We're going to go back into Zoom, join meeting. If we wanted to join a meeting, you would enter the ID number here. Your name should display here. You can always change it. You can have the option to have your name remember for future meetings. It's always an option to take it off if you don't want to. You can also turn your video on or off, and with the ID number in there, this join button will populate. You'll just click join and you will go right into the waiting room for the meeting. Now we're going to head back over to Zoom. Okay, so another application that I wanted to show you is called Screencast, and that's what I'm actually using to record this session. Screencast allows you to record your Zoom meetings as well as the Zoom capability. It's just an additional way to record some of your videos. It's a free application. You just sign in using either your email address. In this case, I used my Google account. You can click video. It's going to launch it, and then you can record. It's just an extra step. So, thank you for joining me for my Zoom training. And I'm going to take you back over to the Zoom presentation. These are all the support references. We have discussed all the questions. And I hope that we have met all the learning objectives that we wanted to integrate into this training. If you have any questions, my contact information is here. And thank you for joining me. Happy Zooming.